Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to plan your social media for free. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by making a simple content calendar in Google Sheets. It can just be columns for date, platform, post idea, caption, and performance. Once it's set up, install the GPT for Sheets and Docs add-on. Go to Extensions on Google Sheets and click on Get Add-ons. Here, type GPT for Work and search, and then install this one. Now you can use formulas like GPT, write a catchy Instagram caption to autofill your captions based on the post idea you entered. This saves tons of time and stops you staring at a blank page. You can write the same commands for the other post as well. Next, track performance by manually logging matrices like likes, comments, or clicks in another column. You can even ask ChatGPT to analyze trends. Say you fill in your engagement numbers and then use GPT Summarize to get a quick summary like Instagram post performance based on weekends or other days. So that's it. Use Sheets to organize dates, let ChatGPT fill in captions, and track how well each post does. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.